Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is October the 17th, 2019. Here to give you all this update on Bitcoin and what occurred since our last video on this particular cryptocurrency. As you all can tell as I zoom in, the market in Bitcoin went against our previous forecast. We should have kept our other one ongoing, but instead we saw the market trying to read to us that it was trying to move higher. So we inputted a new target of Bitcoin moving higher. And then today, I'm zooming in real quick. You all can see that the market is going against us. Okay. Before I get started in our forecast for Bitcoin now, going forward, this is your first time watching our video, I always want to remind each and every one of you to hit that subscribe button, like and share our videos, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, join us as a member on our website, HueFin.com. This is the only place that you're going to get the simplistic form of price charting without even being confused. Okay. So now let's start off with Bitcoin in our analysis on a weekly time frame. Okay. When you look at the weekly bars in Bitcoin, the long-term trend is still one of weakness. Okay. Every day that we do a video for these cryptocurrency is usually on a daily time frame. But when you look at Bitcoin in this particular situation, it is still weak. Okay. The market has not changed its tone regarding the bias of which direction it's going to go. Okay. So I wanted to show you this first, that if you're in this for the long haul, understand that Bitcoin is not strong. It is still weak. Okay. I say that because this week here and then this current week, even last week, the market in Bitcoin has failed to break $8,500, even around $8,750. Okay. So with that being seen and understanding, we need to play the market on the smaller time frames going in the same direction. Our video, we did say that if the market in Bitcoin is unable to break $8,400, we would TP the market there. Okay. And let me bring it to a smaller time frame real quick. And you'll see right here on the smaller time frame, on the hourly bars, 45-minute bars, you see a lot of indications of sellers entering the market around $8,400. We had two opportunities to take that TP out the market at $8,400. So let me bring this down and show you what would have been a profit into the market in Bitcoin. Okay, so we had opportunities here, and then a second opportunity there on that particular 45-minute bar. Okay, so let me bring it down, and that would have given us what? 0.5% profit before we got this dump into the market in Bitcoin, right? So that is good. You need to always have an exit position, exit strategy in the market, just in case the forecast doesn't go the way that you expected it to go. So let's get rid of this. I will have an end card, or you just check out our Bitcoin playlist to show you that I did in fact say TP at $8,400 or $85. Okay, so all that being done, we're going to talk about the future in Bitcoin now. Okay, now overall, nothing is going on in this cryptocurrency. We're just consolidating. Okay, that's it. Nothing fantastic, nothing phenomenal, nothing euphoric. Understand, we're not the ones to give you all those flashy terminologies and mooning and crashing and holidaying. All those things are not necessary. We're just here to make profit. We're just here to accumulate Bitcoin. We're just here to accumulate dollars, whatever the case may be. This is what the smart money do. Okay, so let's get rid of that, and we're going to talk about what we're still seeing amongst this consolidation of trading in Bitcoin. Market is still weak. 4-hour chart is still giving us some weakness on the 4-hour bars. 3-hour, I'm still getting some indications of weakness here. This is one of the main reasons why I don't like Bitcoin trading below this price. Okay, this is why the market is still weak in Bitcoin, because it's not breaking above $8,100, and even if it does, $8,200 is right in tow. So it's not a huge accomplishment even if we do see Bitcoin break and hit $8,200. Okay, so the expectation into the market in Bitcoin, the best thing we're going to get on these smaller time frames, even on the daily, is consolidation of trading. Okay, but as long as we trade below $8,200, this movement to the downside in Bitcoin is going to continue. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. All those points, all of those things that I mentioned in our analysis is the reason why we're anticipating Bitcoin to continue its move to the downside. Excuse me, get rid of that one. Go to the daily time frame and let's put it in like a sell one. Okay. Zoom in. So we're going to hold $8,200. Hold it just a little bit higher for resistance, and I'm just going to bring it down to the bottom of these particular bars here. We might end up a little bit higher than that, but again, we have numerous confirmation and indications that this coin and Bitcoin is not that strong. Okay, so we're going to play it moving lower. There's still a chance though for us to come all the way back down to $7,600. So that is an expectation to play that on a wider scale time frame. So this is what we're going to play with in the market for Bitcoin. All right, so let's see how the market plays out over the next couple of days. We're still seeing some weakness. Still expecting this coin to continue to move lower. Very simple to see, easy to understand, and this is the only place that you'll get a forecast without being confused. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability, and I will talk to you all later. Okay.